Hey guys, it's Mo from AutoCraze. We're here at the head office today. We've got this brand new TRD. I've done TRDs before in the past. We've done the Iron Maiden and we've also done the Unbreakable. Both TRDs were black. Today we're fortunate enough to have a white TRD. Only deserves a brand new set of wheels. Today we're introducing Robbie Gordon's wheel, the KMC XD132. It's black, 17x9s, but most importantly it actually comes with the orange ring. Now to switch it up and to make things a lot better, we've actually custom painted the ring in red to match up with the TRD and also to match with the red color paint that we're doing. Stay tuned guys and check this Hilux out. Done, wrapped
Awesome.
up, finished off with the red ring, fit perfectly well. Here you go.
Thanks, bro.
Tell the people watching,
good,
man, how you feel, bro? Just give him a few words, man. This is not his first car here. Had a WRX, we lowered it for him, now he's gone lifted, and he got wheels and tyres. Tell the people watching, tell the people that subscribe to our YouTube channel how you feel, Stephen. Give him a few words.
Only one place to come for tyres. That's this guy. Mo will look after you. Mate gave me the right advice. Looks great, man. Thanks again.
Thank you once again, brother. I really appreciate it. All good to go. Thank you very much, and bounce.